What is a digital plan of work? The digital plan of work, DPoW, is a plan to deliver the digital representation or information related to a building or infrastructure asset. You've heard the saying, plan, do, check, act. You have to plan before you do, and you also need the plan in order to check progress against and act if adjustments are required. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail, as they also say. It's similar to a plan to deliver the physical asset, except, if done properly, it will deliver the digital version before the physical version. In other words, the digital version will be produced first, and used to inform and instruct the procurement, fabrication, construction and operations of the physical version, and not the other way around. This is a really important point, as we see too many people delivering the digital versions after the physical construction, which is the wrong way around, as there is no benefit gained during procurement, fabrication and construction. This diagram shows the key elements of the digital plan of work. It is a documented record of the key project details, the participants, the tasks, roles, responsibilities and deliverables for each project stage. It answers the questions what, why, who, when, where or how, with regards to digital information production or management. Gathering and capturing this information is necessary in order to produce the responsibility matrix and the Master Information Delivery Plan, MIDP, two very important management tools as required under ISO 19650 Information Management Standard. While the standard doesn't specifically mention the digital plan of work, it does refer to the output of the planning process. The plan starts with the Project Information Requirements, PIR, from the client employer, to deliver a project of defined scope, within a budget and schedule program, while meeting all relevant quality expectations, following regulations and standards, like planning, building control, safety, sustainability, etc. The plan ends with the Exchange Information Requirement, EIR, the digital information that needs to be delivered in order to execute and complete the work, detailing who will produce what information, when, and why, for what purpose. Ultimately, information will be delivered as files or digital containers of information, which will be delivered to the Common Data Environment, CDE, in an organized way, using a defined file naming system, metadata, and a robust approval and acceptance procedure. The files will include models, drawings, schedule, specifications, reports, documents, bills of quantities, product data, etc. The files will contain information about all the components and materials of the project, elements, systems, products, etc. These will be listed in the responsibility matrix, or model production delivery table, and will be assigned to various roles at different project stages, defining the level of information need, geometry, data, documents, at each stage. All of these files will be listed on the Master Information Delivery Plan, MIDP. By comparing the files in the CDE with the list in the MIDP, you can measure progress against your plan. Remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. Any project manager who thinks they can run a digital project without using a digital plan of work is failing to plan and planning to fail. It is important to note that the plan is not static. It needs to be developed and maintained as the project progresses from one stage to the next, as you learn more about the project. The responsibility of the plan can also be handed over from client employer, to designer, to contractor, to building operator and asset manager. The digital plan of work, DPoW, is going to require some software, as it is digital. There are many interesting software tools available that you can use for planning, depending on your project type, scale and budget. But since the plan is essentially a series of lists or tables of critical project information that are related to each other, as a minimum, it could be managed in some sort of spreadsheet or other data table, database type of application. Although this isn't always ideal, as there are better tools available for the job. In summary, you need a plan to deliver the digital representation or information related to a building or infrastructure asset, before you attempt to deliver the physical asset. That is the digital plan of work, DPoW. And remember, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail.